Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to hide photos into a gallery in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. First of all, need find your gallery, standard application of this Samsung Tab. So click into this gallery and go into, and now need choose your photos, maybe this one, press and hold and select, for example, this. Okay, so on the bottom we got more option, click it, and from the list need choose last one option, move to secure folder. Now need customize your secure folder, so welcome to secure folder, click continue, permission for secure folder, click continue one more time, wait a second for creating this folder, and now need select type of protect your secure folder, so maybe pin. Pin must contain at least 4 digits, so maybe 25880. Confirm. Next. Enter pin once again. Next. And now need find your secure folder from the list of application. This one. And open gallery. And how you can see, your photos will be here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.